in the morning, it's a brand new day. Need to grab those keys and fire away.
The centre diff, basically. I really hope it's not that. Lovely.
Welcome to They say every dirt road leads to water, but what it really means is there's adventure around the corner. Down in the valleys of the steepest alpine hills, are roaming across the desert. It's the heart of the thrills. This is way off-road adventures. Welcome to
Did you know that I'm standing in probably one of the busiest places in Australia? And you wouldn't even know. Today, we're going to be tackling the road to Beachport Track, starting here in Robe, behind the old dump, which is there. It's not a very long little track, but it is a different way to go into the national park. So stick around. We're going to go check this out. Also, if you want to know where we are, I'll drop down here a little 3 words for you, so you guys can follow along at home. Righto, I've aired down. Let's get stuck into it.
Then again, it might be worse down here than... Must be rain coming if it picked up.
Yeah. Yeah. Whew. That was hard.
It's like a bass, and then it'll rain and it'll drop off. Oh.
That doesn't feel good, does it?
No, you got to get that fixed, whatever it is. She's warning you.
Yeah. Well guys, we've attempted Robe to Beachport, but everything's going against us. I reckon we're going to call it at that. None of my camera gear is waterproof. It's blowing a gale on the beach. I wasn't expecting that at all. And for some reason the Subaru has a very, very bad vibration, knocking sound coming out of the back. I really hope it's not the VTD or the MPT or whatever you call it, the center diff basically. I really hope it's not that. But I think I'm going to take this opportunity to get out now while it's warning me, head home, put her up on the blocks and just see what's going on, because we can't be down here in this sort of weather. Oh, the sun's come out. Yeah, we can't be down here in this sort of weather doing it tough when the old girl's not up to scratch. So I'm going to call it now. We're going to head home and we're going to find out what's going on. Run a few tests. Hopefully it is not the center diff. It's been happening since I got it, so it's a Subaru, it wouldn't surprise me. Anyway, we've come down just to the back of what they call the back beach at Robe. We've come down here and we're heading back towards Stony Rise. As you've seen, there was a washout down there. It's pretty bad. They generally block off the beaches this time of the year for that particular reason. But look, if you guys are going to come down here, just be careful. Particularly this time of year, we've got high tides, everything's against us. We've got the high tides, we've got the wind, and even the sun's a bit intermittent. And also, just make sure that the vehicle that you're bringing down here is also up to scratch, because you don't want to get down here and have it, basically ruin yourself on a good chance to get out and do stuff. Anyway, we're going to leave it at that, and slowly limp ourselves home, I suppose. See what's going on with this old girl. Damn, what a bugger. But, oh well, these things happen, I suppose, don't they? Anyway, crack on with it, I suppose. Welcome to the workshop. We have fun and games. Right. Alright. Diagnosis time. Start off with pulling off that damn tail shaft, I reckon. Might give us a good indication on what's going on. A12s? No. What did I get? 11. 12. Yes. Yes, they are 12. How tight are these guys? Loose. So a bit of jiggling. We got that out. It turns out this is a new one for me. That slip thing there is actually a second slip yoke. Interesting. I don't think that's what's causing the trouble though. Anyway, guess I've got to take this guard off now, drop the tail shaft down, unbolt the centre bearing, and then that should just slide out. I don't know. Oh, that's loud. Ow. An old friend, the centre bearing. Yeah. Yep, I got the centre bearing here.
Is that buggered?
It seems okay. Watch that. Am I going to leak oil? Don't bug it. Yeah, of course it's going to leak oil.
Doesn't look too bloody good.
Lucky I got some spare. Yeah, on me ratchet. Stupid thing. Wiggle, wiggle.
Oh, that's just...
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Yeah. Seems like it's a little bit dark looking, but it's not actually. Still red. It's just sort of a very translucent red. It's weird. And the centre bearing here spins freely. No grinding or knocking. This feels pretty loose, you know. Don't make them very tough, do they? But I can't see any defects in the rubber. That's interesting. There's a bit of movement in there on the actual shaft itself. Can you see that? In there, or there. Maybe the centre bearing is cooked. And the old transmission mounts. I've seen better days as well. I've got my little stiffener in there. Insert. Help with the lift. Another job for Bob. To book that down for a replacement. Get that changed. Well, I've been trying our absolute hardest with this damn thing. And you wouldn't believe how hard it is to find a drive shaft or a tail shaft for a Subaru. Now these joints here, they are reasonably notchy. Not too bad, but that wind's picking up. It's got a bit of notch in there. And this back one, this one's the worst. Horrible. Notch, notchy, notch, notch. So what we're going to do, going to flood it, absolutely flood it with RP7.
I've been doing that a lot.
Yeah.
But no, you get a couple of new ones.
And we're going to stick it back in, look for a new one. Everything's running against us today, even the weather.
Yeah, it looks like she's coming back.
Yeah. They only forecasted about 2 mil of rain, but I think we had that this morning. So, anywho, I'm going to get this sucker back in and we'll go from there. In we go. And line that up. Yep, good. Good, good, good. Find out the universal joint side out. Rain, rain, go away. Silly rain. Oh, hell. Come on. Ah! Jeez, he's coming down now. I'm okay under here. No, you're right. This is why I don't like Thursdays. Because anything that can go wrong will be on a Thursday. But today's Friday. So that makes complete sense. Ah, bugger it. Any day that ends in Y sucks. Oh, make sure I do that up so it strips. Whew. It's a workout and a half. Uh-oh. 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 Oh dear. I've got to relocate myself. Because that, bugger. Oh, shit. We're all getting wet.
Might as well let it go now.
Yeah, that's alright. Crikey. Oh well. Sand in the eyes. Ow. Cover your ears. Wrong way. Righto. With that all now back together, we can get going. And locate some more parts and things and go from there. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you've enjoyed today's somewhat mess up of a video. We were supposed to tackle Beachport to Robe, or Robe to Beachport rather. That didn't quite happen now, did it? Poor little Subaru had a few issues, and yeah, well, you can't help these things, I suppose. But I guess the old Subaru will be out of action for a little while until I can discover what that vibration is. And I certainly hope it's not the diff. Anywho, if you'd like to support these kind of things, not my breakdowns, but the videos, please head over to buymeacoffee.com/Warrior4x4. There's a .com in there somewhere, but I always forget to add it. And yeah, thanks you guys for watching. Until we see you next time. Thanks, guys. G'day, guys.